Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I can never find a good spot where the sun's just not killing me. We are out at Utah Weekend car meet. It's Saturday night, so it's the car meet and greet kind of a thing. There are a few here already. I'm pretty early, it's like 7 o'clock still, and it goes until 10. So hopefully I can get a few really cool night shots and stuff like that. If I do, I will put them in here. Okay, let's see what happens. Stereo thing going on over there? Whatever. But class A. How to save spots. Drills. Power tools. Duh. Skateboard. How else? Perfect. I don't know if you can hear it through the phone, but I was sitting in my car just a minute ago, because that's my car right there, and it was shaking my car, if that tells you anything. So we're back in the car. I was here for a good 2 hours or so. Lots of cars. There were actually a gang of CTVs, Cadillacs. I'm pretty sure that's what they were. The super fast Cadillacs. Sounded amazing. Looked super cool. There was a burnt orange one, a white one, and a black one. Loved it. It was so cool. So he'll be in the video. It is a black RS7 with green headlights and a green underglow. He actually gave me this, and it says traffic heavy on it. I guess it's for mental awareness and stuff like that. I've actually had a few of these, so that was pretty cool. Bunch of really cool cars, lots of stuff going on. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. We'll see you next week. Adios.